Hello. I just want to go over a few things. And we are doing this ed puzzle as opposed to this Google form. We would have just done this Google form in class, but I'm not here, so we're just going to do it in an ed puzzle. So first, if you need your notes, they should be, I put them down here under the game plan. Please use your notes that we took last week. I handed them out and they should be in your binder. If you cannot find them, I am posting them. Click here. You just click here. You'll click this. You'll say no thanks, not now, and then they'll pop up. So I just want to review. You should know based on the notes we took last week and due to the ed puzzle that you should have done before this, a ratio. We learned about that. Remember, we were doing the Post-it notes in the Jamboard, and we were comparing numbers separately. So you can use 2, a colon, or a fraction bar. So your ratio, just as a quick review, it can be, let's say it's 10 girls to 2 boys. It can be, it's a terrible 10, but you can do your colon, 10 girls to 2 boys. It can say 10 to 2, or it can be 10 over 2. These are all ratios you're comparing one thing to another. That being said, your rate is a type of ratio. It's the words we use when comparing two numbers that represent different types of things. And this is what we're doing today, is this rate. A unit rate is what we've been doing. It's the most popular type of rate, and it's out of 1. And this is what we made our commercials out of. So like if you're selling 3 flowers for $10, you know that 1 flower costs so much. Or if you're selling, I don't know, I was selling 6 Post-it notes for $10 and something. 1 pack of Post-it cost so much, and that's your unit rates. So we are going to start with rates today, and that's when we are comparing. It is a ratio, but we're comparing 2 different things. So let's get started. Oh, also, I forgot my calculator at work. I didn't plan on getting sick. So I'm going to be using this website in your calculator. It's going to be super easy because rates are expressed as a fraction. So like 10 girls out of 24 students, we're comparing girls to total amount of students. So to show this as a rate, rates have to be expressed as fractions. So it's going to be 10, and then you're going to put ABC in your calculator, 24. And if you hit enter, it will simplify it. So 10 ABC, because the ABC button gives you the fraction bar. And just showing you this. So 10 ABC. Change its color. Okay. There you go. So if you put in like 10, and then your ABC is going to give you that little like backwards L, but 10 to 24, this would be your ratio, but this can be simplified. So if you do 10 ABC 24 and hit enter, it's going to be the same as this. And I know that it can be simplified because these are both even numbers. And anytime you have an even number, it can be reduced by at least 2, and you can keep going. But this is telling me, and you should have, if you do 10 ABC 24, you should come up with 5/12, and that is going to be your answer. Oh no. Sorry, I didn't realize that. I want to do the one that like you should be seeing. All right, so it's gonna be 5 girls, or we'll just do the fraction. 5/12 is our rate. So 6 red cars to 4 blue cars. So go ahead. So this is what I need from you. I can't talk. Yep, so the answer there is 5/12 because we're just making the rate is just a fraction. So 6, ABC 4, and hit enter. And that will be your answer. 6, ABC 4. So if I go over here, 6 fourths. Oh, 1 1/2. If you hit, I'm going to say second, 6 fourths. This is going to be the same as 3 halves because 1 times 2 is 1 plus 1 is 3. So your answer is going to be 3 halves. I think you can hit second ABC and hit enter again. So like 6 ABC 4, enter, and then second ABC, enter again, and it's going to change it into your improper fraction. Okay, this one I'm going to have you try on your own. So Jean got hit 12 hits out of 16 times at the bat. So 12 out of 16. So you're going to do 12 ABC 16, and it's going to give you a fraction. And you'll put your answer right here. 12 ABC 16. Answer is 3 fourths. Okay. The table shows how many types. The table shows how many of each type of animal there are at the zoo. Express the ratio of birds, so there's 10 birds, to mammals as a fraction. So birds is 10, to mammals is 25. So you might be tempted to do 10 to 25, but I know that 5 goes into both of those numbers, so it can be made smaller. So I would do 10 ABC 25 equals 2/5. So there's 2 birds for every 5 mammals. And it's important that we look at what we're comparing. We're comparing a ratio of birds to mammals. So birds comes first and mammals comes next. All right, this table shows how many of each type of animal are at the zoo. Express the ratio of reptiles, here's reptiles, to all the animals as a fraction in simplest form. So reptiles to all animals. So I know reptiles is 8. And I'm going to have to add these up. So all of these together. So 25 plus 10 is 35. 35 plus 5 is 40. 40 plus 8 is 48. So I might be tempted to do 8 to 48, but I know that they are both even numbers, so it can be made smaller. So go ahead and do that. Your answer is going to be 1/6. Okay. These are a little trickier. So they need to, when simplifying a ratio involving measurement, both quantities need to have the same units of measure. So we're going to have to convert these. So 10 yards to 8 inches. Well, 1 yard is 36 inches. So we're going to make them all inches. So 10 times 36 is 360 to 8 inches. Again, this can be made smaller. So do 360, ABC, 8, enter. The answer is 45. But we want to make 45, which is a whole number, a fraction, we're going to put it over a 1. Any whole number you want it to be a fraction, you'll put over a 1. 18 ounces to 3 cups. Well, here's 3 cups. And 1 cup equals 8 ounces. So 3 times 8 is 24. So 18 to 24. You need to simplify that. $18, ABC, 24, 3/4. Okay, express each rate as a unit rate. So this is out of 1. So we should be able to do this because we've been doing this, oh my goodness, all week. So to do this, if it's $25.97 for 8 boxes, how much money is it going to be per 1 box? So I will do this one with you, but the rest I want you doing on your own. So $25.97, just a regular calculator. $25.97 divided by how many boxes? 8 boxes. This means, because you always take your total divided by your amount, each box costs $3.24. But wait, this 6 here, 5 or above, give it a shove. So it's going to be $3.25 per box. So $3.25 per box. Okay, so here's your total. You need to divide by your minutes. What is 400 meters in 5 minutes? So 400 divided by 5, 400 meters divided by the 5 minutes. This gives you 80 meters in 1 minute. So 80 meters in 1 minute. I'm going to put our label. So 80 meters for every 1 minute. 80 meters per minute. There we go. All right. This is just like that other one. It's $175 for 4 concert tickets. How much is 1 concert ticket? So 175 divided by 4 means 1 concert ticket is $43.75. So it is $43.75 per ticket. 125 miles in 200 minutes. So how many miles are you going in 1 minute? 125 miles divided by your 200 minutes. You are going, look, 5 and above, give it a shove. You're going 0.63 miles in 1 minute. So 0.63 miles per minute. $75 for 5 DVDs. Well, how much is one DVD? $75 divided by 5 equals 15. It's $15 for one DVD. $15 per DVD. 300 words in 5 minutes. How many words in 1 minute? 300 words in 5 minutes. You take your 300 words divided by your 5 minutes. It's 60 words in 1 minute. 60 words per minute. Okay. Let's see. All right. We have 2 left. So this is where we're using our unit rates to compare. And this is the point of it in real life. When you go to the grocery store or you spend any kind of money, that is yours. So an 8-pack of juice boxes costs $4.79. A 12-pack cost $6.59. What is the better buy? Well, we have to find out how much each one cost. So if it's $4.79 for an 8-pack, so an 8-pack costs $4.79. You need to find out how much that cost. So $4.79 divided by 8. This means one juice box costs, because this will be your money, it will look like 59 cents, but 5 and above, give it a shove. So this means that I would write this down. For the 8-pack, it is going to be 60 cents. $60 per juice pouch. Put per juice. Okay, so now we have to look at this 12-pack one. The 12-pack costs $6.59. So you're going to take $6.59 and divide it by 12. Again, if this was money, it would look like 54 cents, but 5 and above, give it a shove. So it means for the 12-pack, each one costs 55 cents. I'm just going to write this down. So for the 12-pack, it is 55 cents per juice. So what's the better buy? Do you want to pay 60 cents per juice pouch or 55 cents per juice pouch? What's the better buy, the 8-pack or the 12-pack? If I'm spending money, I would rather spend less. So I would say the 12-pack is the better buy. Okay, I'm going to have you do this one on your own. So which bottle of water costs more per ounce? A 12-ounce bottle of water for $1.25. So you're going to find out how much each ounce costs. Or 16-ounce bottle for $1.50. So you're going to take $1.25 divided by 12. Find out how much that is. Oops. And then you're going to take $1.50 divided by 16. Find out how much each ounce is. And the smaller ounce, So the cheaper price is going to be your better deal. So figure out which one's your better deal. Okay. So I'm going to find out how much is 12 ounces. 12 ounce and 16 ounce. Okay, so 12 ounces for $1.25. You always take your money, $1.25 divided by 12. 1 ounce is 5 or above, give it a shove. 4 or below, let it go. So it's going to be 10 cents an ounce. So it's 10 cents an ounce. This other one, it's 16 ounces for $1.50. So I'm going to take $1.50 divided by 16. And this is going to be, it looks like it's 9 cents because 4 or below, let it go. This one's going to be so what's the better deal? I'm going to pay 10 cents an ounce or 9 cents an ounce. I'd rather pay 9 cents an ounce. So your better deal is going to be the 16 ounces. Okay, that's it for today. Let me know if you have any questions.